It's a quick overview of what you can expect with your scheduled post-UTME exam. One of the very first requirements for FUNAB post-UTME exam is you need access from a desktop or a laptop computer with a functional webcam and microphone prior to your scheduled exam. And for optimal experience, avoid the use of mobile phone for the exam. You also need a reliable internet connectivity, and also you need an uninterrupted power supply. On the expected testing environment, you need to find acceptable space to take your exam. The environment needs to be quiet, well lit, and away from other people. Make sure you pick a place that nobody else will need to access during your exam, and don't sit directly in front of the window. It is required to use a hard surface for your workspace rather than a bed or couch. Before logging in, you need to clear your workspace from all restricted materials, close all third-party programs, and unplug any secondary monitors. You need to dress formally. Use of face mask or face cap during the test is prohibited. You need to ensure that you are using a recommended browser version. You need to download and install Google Chrome or Firefox, and make sure you are using the latest version. You need to also conduct a media test for your system and get acquainted with the login process before you start the exam. Now, what to look out for during the exam? You need to ensure that your webcam is well positioned to capture your face. You are not expected to leave this position all through the exam. Your webcam should not be blocked for any reason or turned off to avoid disqualification. When you log in, you'll be assigned to your proctor, but before that, you need to allow a notification on your system for the webcam and microphone. This allows the proctor to begin to check your activity during this period of the aptitude test will be monitored and recorded. The proctor will be able to see and hear you. He or she can communicate with you via chat or voice. Prompt response to any instruction from your proctor to avoid disqualification. At any point in time, you will be asked to scan your exam area with your webcam. It is recommended that your workspace be free as possible. Your proctor will be looking at the area to ensure restricted items are not on the desk or in the room. This includes food, drinks, headphones, electronics, or mobile devices such as cell phone or tablet in most instances. Please note that you need a note and a biro for your calculation. Once you start your exam, a 30-minute countdown commences. It cannot be paused or stopped by any action, including logging out of the test environment, requesting attention from a proctor, or encountering a technical problem. You are not permitted to click outside of the exam page. That is, you cannot leave the test tab for any other tab or application on the computer for any reason. If you do, your system will beep and an alert display as a warning at the first instance. Subsequent instance will result in an outright ending of your examination session and may lead to disqualification. In case of any challenge, you can request for the attention of your proctor from the test page. Click the request attention button. When you are done with your question and you wish to submit, you will be notified if there are any unanswered questions and ask to confirm that you are ready to submit the exam session. For further inquiry or complaint about your exam, send an email to admission@funab.edu.ng. We wish you much success on your examination.